Pine nut, nutrient-rich goodness and brain health. Pine nuts, often referred to as pignoli or pinoli, are edible seeds from specific pine varieties. The tiny elongated nuts are prized because of their delicious flavor and health benefits for centuries. They are not just delicious additions to many meals, but they're full of essential nutrition that will benefit your general health and the brain's well-being. One of the most important ingredients that is found within pine nuts is magnesium. Magnesium is a key component in the brain's function by encouraging the production and absorption of neurotransmitters that help transmit signals in the brain. Additionally, it regulates blood flow to the brain, making sure that the brain receives nutrition and oxygen it requires for optimal functioning. A healthy intake of magnesium has been linked to a lower risk of developing cognitive decline due to age and neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's. Alongside magnesium, in addition to magnesium, pine nuts are high in antioxidants. Antioxidants are substances that protect cells in the body from harm caused by damaging free radicals. If free radicals build up within the brain area, they could create oxidative stress that leads to inflammation and destruction of the brain cells. The antioxidants found in pine nuts help to neutralize free radicals and reduce the chance of damage to brain cells, as well as promoting the healthy aging of your brain. Additionally, pine nuts are a great food source for vitamin E. It is an antioxidant with a potent effect that improves the health of your brain. Vitamin E has been proven to help fight an increase in oxidative stress as well as decrease the chance of decline in cognitive capacity. Numerous studies have demonstrated an association positive between a higher intake of vitamin E intake and improved memory and cognitive performance. Incorporating pine nuts into your diet will help you get enough of this vital vitamin. The pine nuts can also be a great source of polyunsaturated fatty acids, especially alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. ALA is a fatty omega-3 acid which is vital for the health of your brain. It is a key component in the function and structure of brain cells. It also aids in the communications between neurons. Studies suggest that omega-3 fatty acids could have a beneficial impact against cognitive decline as well as lower the chance of developing neurodegenerative disorders. Furthermore, pine nuts are also rich in iron, which is a mineral that is essential to cognitive functions. Iron is essential to produce hemoglobin, which is a protein that transports oxygen into the brain. A healthy iron level is essential to maintain cognitive capabilities like concentration and memory. Incorporating pine nuts into your diet is simple, since they can be included in a wide variety of meals. It is possible to add them to pasta dishes, salads, as well as pesto sauces, or to top oatmeal or yogurt. The buttery, rich taste and nutty texture makes an ingredient with a variety of uses, which can add flavor of sweet as well as savory food items. A handful of pine nuts will provide substantial amount of nutrition. It is important to keep in mind that the pine nuts are rich in fat and calories, therefore they must be eaten in moderation, especially for people who are watching their calories. Also, it's important to note that certain people may experience an allergy to pine nuts and experience symptoms like swelling, itching, or breathing difficulties. If you are a victim of allergies, you should seek out a medical professional prior to incorporating pine nuts in your daily diet. As a conclusion, the pine nuts aren't just an excellent addition to meals, but are also a nutrient-rich food source that could improve brain health. The magnesium content in them supports the function of neurotransmitters and also circulation to the brain. Additionally, antioxidants help protect against the effects of oxidative stress. Vitamin E as well as omega-3 fats that are found in pine nuts aid in maintaining brain health, as well as the iron content that aids in maintaining cognitive performance. Incorporating pine nuts into your daily diet is an excellent way to feed your brain and boost your overall health.